Greetings, Eric Bakker, the Naturopath. You like my new microphone? It's this huge, big blue thing here. You can't see it, but I hope you can hear my voice a lot better. Thank you for all the nice comments I've received of late for the videos. I appreciate them. Let's talk about the 5 mistakes to avoid when restoring your digestive function after an antibiotic. All right? The first one. Should I do another round? Many people who take antibiotics don't just take one round. They take another round and another round. And I mean, that's like doing 4 or 5 rounds with Mike Tyson. You're going to get smacked around really bad. All right, 1 round's bad enough. Why do you have to want to be, king hitted and KO'd multiple times? And that's what happens. When people go on antibiotics recurrently, it really whacks them around. So 1 round should be enough. You should never have to go for 2, 3, 4, 5 rounds. Some people I see stay on this crap for 6 months or more. It just trashes them. That's like napalming your garden time and again, and you're wondering why the hell nothing's going to grow there. Right? So not a good idea to keep doing multiple rounds of antibiotics. And the doctor will say, well, let's try this one. Well, let's try that one. Well, have you ever had a plumber coming around your place saying, let's try this to see if the tap's going to leak this time? Well, let's try this time. Make sure that your pipes aren't leaking. You get the guy the hell out of your house and get a professional person in, right? So don't fall for the trick of multiple rounds, all right? Second one, not eating the right kind of food to support the gut health, all right, when you're trying to build that gut back up again after antibiotics. So if you're trying to restore your gut function and you've taken a round of, say, ciprofloxacin, not a really good idea to go to Pizza Hut there for a big pizza feed, is it, that night? You're better off going home and having some bok choy and brown rice. It's probably going to support your gut health a lot more. So be careful what you eat for the several weeks after the antibiotic, right? But jumping straight back into some sugary food again is almost going to guarantee that you're going to get a yeast population that will come up, especially if you start really wanting sweet stuff after antibiotics. And some people have this craving really bad. They'll go on 1 or 2 rounds of antibiotics, and then they'll want sweet stuff, and they'll have this driving desire to go out and get it. That's a surefire sign of a developing SIBO or a yeast problem. So just watch out for that rising sugar craving, all right? Third one, not long enough treatment. So people don't take the probiotic long enough after the antibiotic. Okay, they may stay on it for, say, a week or 10 days, and then they'll go off. The doctor may clearly say to the person, look, I've given you a 10-day prescription for Cipro, and I want you to go on a probiotic after that for a week or 2 weeks. I would recommend you go on a probiotic until the gut function is good again. So if you stop that probiotic and your tummy regresses, it goes backwards, go back on the probiotic, or switch to another one so the gut function is really improved, all right? Don't listen to the doctor. Well, in this case, if you're taking the antibiotic, don't listen to the doctor regarding the probiotic advice. Stay on it longer, all right? Many people make this mistake, and it's a key mistake not to make. Right, what's the 4th one? Not resting enough and a high-stress lifestyle. So some people who get sick, unfortunately, stay sick because of their kind of lifestyle they're leading. It may be their relationship, it may be their job, it could be the family dynamics, but something may need changing, all right? Because if the person stays high stress, they're going to get recurrently sick, requiring more antibiotics, and then the gut will never recover. I can tell you 500 patients I've seen like that just in the last several years, with ridiculously high stress lifestyles that could not recover their gut after antibiotic. And the last but not least, taking too many dietary supplements. Some people I see take 10, 20, 30 pills in a day. When you're recovering your gut from an antibiotic, it pays to keep on a simple, basic diet with a low-stress lifestyle, and preferably not peppering your digestive system with, B vitamins, magnesium supplements, zinc supplements, you know what I mean? So many pills that people take. Try and back off a lot of these supplements and just let the gut restore. It makes a lot of sense. Try those tips. If you want more tips, click on the link below and grab my free Candida report. Thanks for tuning in.